DJI Mini 5 Pro. Replacing propellers. Replace the propellers when they are damaged or deformed. Removal. Hold the motor. Press the propeller clamp down and rotate the propeller to remove the old propeller. Rotate the orange-marked propellers counterclockwise and gray-marked propellers clockwise. Installation. Install the propellers with matching color markings onto the corresponding motor. Insert the propeller and press it down firmly, then rotate to lock. Make sure all the propellers are mounted securely.